Welcome back to online class. Today I will explain exercise 2C word problem. Let's start. First question. A man owns 3 orchards. A man owns 3 orchards. 26,719, 65,545 and 23,791 fruits are picked respectively from these orchards. Clear? Find total number of fruits picked. First of all, student, how many orchards? 3 orchards. Clear? And how many fruits picked from each orchard? First orchard 26,719 fruits. Second orchard 65,545 fruits. And third orchard 23,791 fruits were picked. Clear? Now what we have to do? We have to find out the total number of fruits picked. So in word problem we have to write the statement also. Clear? That is compulsory. So fruits picked from first orchard. $26,790. Clear? Fruits picked from second orchard. $65,545. Fruits picked from third orchard. $23,791. Now student, what we have to do? We have to find out the total fruits picked. Clear? Total number of fruits picked. Total number, what we do? We add. Clear? See. Now add it. 9, 1, 10, 10, 5, 15. 1 carry. 9, 1, 10, 10, 1, 11, 11, 4, 15. Write 5 here. 1 carry. 7 to 14, 1, 15, 15, 5, 20. Write 0 here. 2 carry. 6, 5, 11, 11, 3, 14, 14, 2, 16. Write 6 here. 1 carry. 6, 4, 10, 1, 11. So total number of fruits picked is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. 1,16,055. Clear? Total number of fruits picked 1,16,055. So in this we have to, in this way we have to solve. So we have to write the statement also and we have to solve it also. So if in question it is written find the total number, then what we do? We add. Clear? Next question. 50,639 tourists visited Palampur in May. In May, how many tourists visited? 50,639 tourists. 74,230 tourists visited in June and 95,736 tourists visited in July. Find the total number of tourists that visited Palampur. What we have to do? We have to add. Clear? During these 3 months. So, tourist visited Palampur in May. 50,639 tourists visited Palampur in June. $74,230. Clear? Tourist visited Palampur in July. 95,736. Total tourists visited in 3 months. Clear? Total tourists visited in 3 months. What we have to do? We have to add. Clear? Now add 9 plus 6. 9 1 10 and 5 15. Write 5 here. 1 carry. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 1 10. Write 0 here. 1 carry. 6 1 7. 7 to 14. 14 to 16. Write 6 here. 1 carry. 5, 4, 9, 1, 10. Write 0 here. 1 carry. Now 7, 1, 8, 8, 4, 12, 1, 13. 13, 7, 20, 22. Clear? Check once again. 7, 3, 10, 2, 12. 12, 1, 13. 13, 7, 20, 22. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. 2,20,605. Clear? 2,20,605 tourists visited in 3 months. So student, you have to write the statement also. Clear? And you have to solve it also. See how easy it is. Tourists visited Kuala Lumpur in May, 50,639. Tourists visited Kuala Lumpur in June, 74,230. Tourists visited Kuala Lumpur in July, 95,736 according to question. Clear? Total tourists visited in 3 months, 2,20,605. See, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Clear? 2,20,605. Next question. Mr. Sharma withdraws rupees 38,800, rupees 30,275 and rupees 70,275 from the bank on 3 successive days. How much money does he withdraw from bank? Clear? Successive means continuously, लगातार एक के बाद एक. And withdraws means रुपया निकालना. Clear? निकाल. Mr. Sharma withdraws rupees 38,800. How much money? First day 38,800. Second day 30,275. And third day 70,275 rupees. Clear? So money withdrawn first day. Money withdrawn in first day, rupees 38,800. Clear? Money withdrawn in second day. Second day, rupees 30,275. Money withdrawn in third day. Rupees 70,275. Total money withdrawn So what we have to do? We have to add. Clear? So money withdrawn in first day rupees 38,800. Money withdrawn in second day rupees 30,275. Money withdrawn in third day rupees 70,275. Total money withdrawn. What we have to do? We have to add. Clear? 5 plus 5 10. Write 0 here. 1 carry. 7 to 14 1 15. Write 5 here. 1 carry. Now 8 8 to 10 to 12 1 13. Write 3 here. 1 carry. Clear? 8 1 9. Now 7 3 10 10 3 13. See, total money withdrawn ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. 1,39,350. So total money withdrawn rupees 1,39,350. Once again, see question. Mr. Sharma withdraws rupees 38,800, rupees 30,275, and rupees 70,275 from the bank on 3 successive days. How much money does he withdraw from the bank? How much money? Means total money. Clear? Now money withdrawn in first day rupees 38,800. Money withdrawn in second day rupees 30,275. Money withdrawn in third day rupees 70,275. Clear? Total money withdrawn rupees 1,39,350. Next question. Relief fund was being collected by residents of a society to help poor and unprivileged people. Unprivileged people means people having no special rights or advantages. Clear? They collected rupees 60,500 from their own society and rupees 1,50,680 from nearby societies. How much money did they collect in total? Clear? So, for a relief fund, residents collected residents of a society collected money, clear, to help poor and unprivileged people. So they collected rupees 60,500 from their own society and rupees, so money collected from own society. Money collected from own society rupees 60,500. Clear? Money collected from nearby societies rupees 1,50,680. Clear? Now total money collected, total money collected, what we have to do, we have to add. Clear? Now add it. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 8, 8, 6 plus 5, 11. Clear? 0 plus 0 plus 1, 1. See once again, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 8, 8, 6 plus 5, 11. Clear? 1, write 1 here, 1 carry. Clear? 0 plus 0 plus 1, 1. Now 6 plus 5, 11. 1 carry. Clear? 1 plus 1, 2. So total money collected rupees 2,11,180. Clear? See, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. 2,11,180. So money collected from own society rupees 60,500. Money collected from nearby societies rupees 1,50,680. Total money collected rupees 2,11,180. Clear? Thus total money collected for relief fund is equal to rupees 2,11,180. Clear? Next, Vaibhav bought a cottage for rupees 3,42,550, a car for rupees 2,16,765, an LCD for rupees 26,000, and a factory for rupees 8,42,700. Find the total money spent by him. Clear? So he bought a cottage for rupees 3,42,550, a car for 2,16,765, an LCD for rupees 26,000, and a factory for rupees 8,42,700. Clear? So what we have to do? We have to add. Clear? Money spent for cottage. Cottage. Money spent for cottage. Rupees 3,42,550. Clear? Money spent for car. Rupees 2,16,765. Money spent for LCD. Spent for LCD rupees 26,000. Money spent for a factory. Money spent for factory. Rupees 8,42,700. Now total money spent by Vaibhav. What we have to do? We have to add. Clear? Now add 5 plus 0 plus 0, 0. What? We get 5. Clear? Now 6, 5, 11. See, 6, 5, 11 plus 0 plus 0, 11. Clear? Write 1 here, 1 carry. 7 to 14, 14, 5, 19, 120. Write 0 here, 2 carry. Clear? 6 to 12, 12 to 14, to 16, to 18. Write 8 here, 1 carry. 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 6 to 8, 8, 4, 12. Write 2 here, 1 carry. 3 to 5, 1, 6, 6, 4, 10, 10, 4, 14. Clear? So, once again see, this is 0, 0 plus 5, this is 5. 0 plus 5 plus 0 plus 0, we got some 5. Next 6 plus 5, 11. Write 1 here, 1 carry. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. 1, 20. 0 here, 2 carry. 6 to 12, 12 to 14, 14 to 16. 6 to 12, 12 to 14, 14 to 16, 16 to 18. 8 here, 1 carry. 4, 1, 5, 6, 7, 7, 3, 10, 1, 11, 1, 12. Write 2 here, 1 carry. 3 to 5, 8 to 10, 10, 3, 13, 1, 14. Clear? So, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 14 lakh, 28,000, 15. Clear? Total money spent by Vaibhav, 14 lakh, 28,000, 15 rupees. So once again, whole question. Vaibhav bought a cottage for rupees 3,42,550, a car for rupees 2,16,765, an LCD for rupees 26,000, and a factory for rupees 8,42,700. Find the total money spent by him. Money spent for cottage 3,42,550. See, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Clear? 3,42,550. Money spent for car rupees 2,16,765. Money spent for LCD rupees 26,000. Clear? Money spent for factory rupees 8,42,700. Total money spent by Vaibhav rupees 14 lakh 28,015. So this part of word problem completed. Thank you.